Hey, hello guys, welcome to SphereSkill Technologies, empowering tomorrow's learning. I'm your trainer Jai Ganeshan here, and we are going through with the Excel Basic to Excel Advanced series, in which we are going through with our Module 1 class. So in the module 1 we have understood how to save the workbook, how to open Excel, and how to create workbook and worksheet. Multiple sheets we have created, how to manipulate data with rows, columns and cell, where we have inserted rows, inserted columns, deleted. Okay, and we have also seen some basic formulas. Further we will continue with the module 1 and we will try to cover up other sessions concurrently. Yeah, stay tuned, stay with me, follow me, and click subscribe and click bell icon so that you get all the videos notified to your inbox as soon as I post. So we will continue our module 1 with the shortcut session, and then followed by workbook protection, and we will have little more alignments and formatting tips using formulas, how we can able to do certain task. Okay, so to continue with the shortcuts, we will use Alt H. So Alt H is basically for representing home. Okay, so you can select the Excel, any cell which you want to do. Alt H, when you do, you can get the shortcuts key here. Now if you want to cut it, you can press X, and if you want to copy, you can press C. You can directly also use Control X, Control C. So there are few cases where shortcuts are be not available. In that case, we can able to use this keyboard shortcuts. Okay, each and every menu will have a shortcuts. So in the ribbon bar. Okay, so now this A9 cell is been selected. I want to format it into right. So what is the format key? AR, right? So this is been formatted. So I want to format it to left. So Control H, Alt H, AC, right? So this is in center and left. So this is how you can able to do the alignment. Okay, so now selecting a complete row, complete column. How you can select it? Select the first cell, shift control down. Okay, so this has been selected. Alt H, AC. You guys see? So this came to center. Okay, for center alignment, if you want to do a right alignment, what you can do? Alt H, Alt H, AR. Right. Left alignment, Alt H, AL. Right. So we got the alignments in here. In order to enable autosave features, so what we have to do is we can go to the file. You have the options, and in options you will have a save. So in the save, auto recover information, so it is been by default set to 10 minutes. Okay, so this is when you are not been using a online version, that is when you are not connected to Office 365, OneDrive or some other online platform. If you are connected to OneDrive, automatically this will be by default will be auto saving. If it is not, it will be saving for every 10 minutes. You can reduce it. Okay, so that the number of copies will be increased, and auto recover one if the file is accidentally closed or if your system is crashed, then this Excel, when you are opening, it will bring the auto recover the details. So this is how you can enable the auto saving features.
Okay, I have left a number of shortcuts here. So this is available in the website. So in by before ending of this session, I will show you how you guys can able to download this Excel. Not only this, we will attach all our further engagements and documentation to our knowledge hub. You guys need to sign up in the website. Okay, there is no payment is required. Just you can sign up and you can able to download. So this is for our protection purpose, right? So this document is being securely accessed. So you can go through with all the shortcuts what I have provided, and do let me know if you are having any concerns. Okay, so we will go to the formula. So in formula we have so many variations, and sorry, we have so many number of formulas which is been available, and we will be using out of that maximum in day-to-day life. If you are a working profession, then 100% yes, you will be having a day-to-day life formula calculations. Okay, so we will see, we will increase some numbers. Okay, so now I have put some sequence here. So in order to increase, we can able to increase it. So if I want to collect the sum of this formula, so what the sum of this value, that is from G4, G3 to G12. So in that case, what you can do, you can just press Alt plus. So if you plus it, you will get what is the sum of the value. Otherwise you can use some of selecting this and entering, right? So what I have done, I made some mistake, I guess, right? So this is way also you can able to get it, but the easiest way will be using a shortcut. Okay, so here we have a average formula also. I will tell you how to get the average. To have the average, so we have a formula average. So by default, Excel will be providing you what is the drop down of available formula once you start typing. So we are selecting the cell G3 to G11. So you will get what is your average of this value. Now to get the max of this value, you can use max 45. Okay, that is your max. Similar way, you can get min, and you can also get count. Total 9 numbers of there. Okay, this way you can able to see what is your further formulas. So we are in our basic, right? So we will be going if and or in our next session. We have v lookup and h lookup and x lookup. This will play very key vital role in finding out the combinations from taking it up as reference from one cell and combining to an entire worksheet, and see where it is been looked after, and pick up what is the relevant field which is been correspondence to that, and based on our requirements we can able to use this lookup function. Okay, that is what the lookup it is. So now we are almost close to our first session end. So as I have told you, so I will show you like how we can able to protect our web sheet. Okay, so we will click save as. There are multiple ways to protect our sheet. Okay, so we will use online. So as soon as I went to online, you can see here it went to SharePoint. So what is SharePoint? And inside the SharePoint, it has taken my email ID and it is authenticated and it went. So we have a Office 365 configured into it. So if you guys have not gone through the Office 365 registration, I will leave the card on the top. You can pick up that and go through that video as well. Okay, so we will see how we can able to use a password protection option. So we have tools here, general option. So we have a password to open, okay, and password to modify. So I have given both as a SphereSkill. So once you create it, it will ask the same password once again to type it. Okay, so this is, we are going to save it. So now what we have done, we have enabled the password protection for this. So this document is being protected. There are two types of thing is there we have enabled. One is password to open and password to modify. So if you say password to open, opening itself will be having a password. And what is password to modify? If you give the opening access, you don't want to give modification access to the user whom you are sending, then you can protect only password to modify. They can only view it. They cannot make any modification to this particular Excel, right? So that is how this works. So you can able to practice this. If you are having any questions, you can do, let me know. Okay, now let us see how we can able to open the password protected Excel. Okay, so we have protected the password with SphereSkill for both modification and also for accessing the Excel, right? So now we will type this SphereSkill we are typing. So once you type it, then only it will open, otherwise it will not open. See, now the next thing, it is been reserved by Ganeshan. So how do it got my name? So in the morning session yesterday, so I have told you like we have left the property. So we have created, since we have created the properties of that, it is being known like who is the author of this document, and the author has blocked accessing this particular content. Okay, so second password I'm not giving, I'm opening as a read only. Now you guys can able to see this will be only a read only option. You cannot modify anything to this. If you ask to save, it will say like it is been blocked. It is only read only. So that is how you can protect a web sheet. Okay, workbook, sorry. So we have covered almost all our chapters in our module 1. Okay, so this is our website. So hope everyone is aware about our website, and we have lot of courses here. So which includes your Microsoft Office 365 admin productivity, which is hosted by me, and we have Python and .NET development, and also other courses also which is been available. Okay, so I'm also hosting a Excel expertise a course which covers a major portion of it, and which is at a nominal price. Okay, so you can come here and you can see what are the course content, and whether it is been useful for you guys, you can register it out. So let us come to our knowledge hubs. So this is the course content here, and what you will cover in the course, and I have already explained what are those detailed functions. You can go through this, and what you will be gaining, so that is also being provided in the course content. Okay, so now we will see what is our knowledge hub. So for the knowledge hub, so you have to login. Okay, so Excel basic which is being attached. So here you can either log in as a student or log in as a trainer to access the Excel content. So I will log in, and okay, this is our chatbot. So we have left a video for chatbot. If you guys have not gone through this, we have a quiz also, very interesting. So you can go through that and then see how that helps your Excel knowledge, right? So I have logged in into that. Okay, so here we have our knowledge hub. So let us go to our knowledge hub, and then you will get your excels here. Okay, so you can download your excel, you will gain access to this. You guys see that? So this is very simple and very easy to share the document very securely, right? So it will be not unauthorized, so it is authorized access, and you can able to directly come and then register. Okay, so how to register also I will show you guys. So you have a sign up here, so you can directly go here and then sign up. So from the home you have a login, and where you have a sign up, you can fill the form and then get it signed. You want to join us and then be a part of our training session, okay, you are more welcome. You can join as a trainer as well. Otherwise you can continue as a student, and then put your username and password, and we will send you a email for your confirmation. Once the email is been validated, yes, you are part of our family, and you can able to download this, and you are more welcome to SphereSkill. I will see you soon. Okay, so you guys have made use of this module 1 session. Hope this is being very informative to you guys. If it is so, please leave me a comment. Please do like and subscribe, and share this video with the needy one. Okay, who will be interested to learn such type of Excel shortcuts. I put lot of effort to make this video and bring it to you guys. So pay attention, and then do spend some time with me. Okay, so it is like rather than watching a video in YouTube, so you can able to spend some time in learning such type of useful information. Click on the bell icon so that you get all the videos which I post as a notification to you. Do visit our website spearskill.tech, and then follow me on my Facebook and follow me on my YouTube channel as well. Thank you for watching. It is me, Jay Ganeshan, signing off for today, and we will soon see in our module 2 version. Yeah, thank you.